Welcome to the calorie calculator. So, rule number one, if you don't have the right amount of calories that you're taking in every day, you're not going to get the nutrients that your body needs to thrive. Majority of the time, y'all are not taking in the right amount of calories. You're all under eating. When you go use this calorie calculator, you're going to be shocked. Trust me, I get it. Every person I've helped lose 50, 100 pounds, PCOS, Hashimoto's, hypothyroid, insulin resistance, type 1, type 2 diabetic, throw all that out the window. Feed your body nutrients. It's crazy what happens. So how you use the calorie calculator, it's going to go off of your height, your weight, current weight, not the weight you want to be at. Well, everybody, we have the same calorie goal, which makes no sense. So your height, weight, age, and activity level. This is where I'm breaking down. First activity level is if you do not work out. If you take walks, here, there, if you take walks every day, I would still pick the first activity level. The second activity level is if you work out 3 to 5 days a week lifting weights or doing cardio. Now, if you lift weights and do cardio 4 to 5 days a week, so 4 days you do cardio, the same day you do weights, and 4 to 5 days a week, I would pick the third activity level. Then the fourth activity level is if you do weights and cardio 6 to 7 days a week and you do manual labor, that is when I would pick the fourth activity level. Majority of the time, everyone, if you're working out, majority of the time, people are on the second activity level. So that's how you guys use the calorie calculator. It's all a formula on how it works. Like I said, don't be shocked on how many calories if it's 500 to 1,000 more than what you have been doing. Why is this calorie calculator different? The formula is different than all the rest of them out there, but this is what I use on how to get people the best freaking results and make sure we're all taking in the right amount of calories, because you shouldn't be starving all day long when trying to lose body fat. Remember your why.